It's too bright in here. Hi creatures, good morning. So if you're wondering why I'm not in my regular bed here, that's because I've finally decided to upgrade 2 levels of stairs and take over a new little room for the new year. Great start to the new year. However, what's not a great start to the new year, my friends, is waking up during a snowstorm and having to pull yourself together to go to work. You see that out there? It could be a lot worse. That's what I'm telling myself here. Things could be a lot worse. It could be a hurricane. Our house could be blown over, which is not. My house is still standing, even though going to sleep last night I could literally feel the wind blowing the house and the house blowing. Oh my god, hello? Oh, there I am. The lighting's great in here though, my friends. Like, look at these flowers, they're nice. Devin, stick to the point. Do you know what it's like to wake up during a snowstorm and have to pull yourself together in 1 hour in order to get to work on time? First of all, there was weather advisories this morning saying like not to travel if it's not necessary. And I don't think it's that necessary for people to have to put their lives at risk and in danger so that people can have someone there to put groceries in the bag for them. However, it's worth it. I'm going to be safe. I'll be cautious. And I will make my bed. Okay, I will make my bed this morning to prove to myself that I'm successful and to prove to myself that I'm like everyone else in the world, and sometimes we have to do things that we're not completely interested in doing. It's for the greater good. I'm doing good for St. John's, Newfoundland Labrador, by pulling myself together like this. I'm putting myself to service. I am dedicating myself to something even more, and I'm growing and learning and will receive more opportunities for myself by doing this here. All the same, did not want to leave this bed whatsoever. If you can relate to that, like, subscribe to my channel here, because that's what we're about. We're about positivity, we're about relating to one another, we're about growing a community around here. So give this video a thumbs up, creatures, if you can relate to my pain of waking up and not wanting to leave your bed because there was a snowstorm. All the same, I'm not really interested in going to work looking like this here. I mean, I could. Are people gonna judge me? Probably.